Hi, my name is Megan Johnston, and I am an associate lawyer at Smithchuck Injury Law in Ontario, Canada. Our client is a middle-aged mother, grandmother as well. She was a special events bartender and a restaurant manager, very active in terms of her household and childcare responsibilities as well as leisure activities before this accident. Our client went to a mechanic shop. Her fiance was looking for a specific truck part called a drive shaft. He had arranged a meeting with a gentleman who worked at his father's mechanic shop, and that gentleman had put the truck up on a hoist, and they went to the shop to look at it. He led them underneath the truck. As they were looking at the part, the back end of the truck fell down on top of our client, onto her head, her back, and her right foot. We did have a mediation in the case, and at the end of the mediation, the offer, I believe, was $650,000 all-inclusive. Shortly after the mediation and leading up to the pretrial, we did have another offer for $900,000 all-inclusive. We considered using DK Global's services after we realized that our offers were fairly far apart at the mediation. We wanted to do something cutting edge, something that would capture the other side's attention. We were faced with the defendant's evidence that he pointed out the drive shaft from the entrance to the garage with a flashlight. And told our client to remain outside the garage. The visuals that were created were a reconstruction of the accident and how that happened. This demonstrated that there was no way that the drive shaft would have been visible to our clients from that distance, nor would they have been able to determine the fit of the drive shaft for another vehicle by looking from that distance. So the DK Global animated presentation really helped to show the location of the drive shaft and that that story was not a plausible one. Our client was fortunate to be alive after this accident and to have escaped with the injuries that she did, but I think that the visual that DK Global did of the right foot crush injury that she sustained really brought home how life-altering this injury was for her. The outcome of the case at the pretrial was a settlement in the amount of $1.4 million all-inclusive. It may be more difficult to help the opposition see your case the way you see it without this type of visual.